Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to delete internal storage in Android to help your device run faster and smoother. Clearing out unnecessary files is the best way to reclaim space for new photos and apps. So now let's get started. For step 1, you need to open the Google Files app on your smartphone to begin managing your device's data. This app is a specialized tool designed to help you organize your documents and identify large files that might be taking up too much room. In step 2, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines to reveal the main navigation menu. This sidebar is important because it allows you to switch between browsing your files and using the powerful maintenance tools built into the app. For step 3, tap on the clean option located at the bottom or within the menu to access the automated storage management features. This utility is used to scan your phone for junk files, duplicates, and old downloads that are no longer serving a purpose on your device. In step 4, you should click on the internal storage section to see a detailed breakdown of what is occupying your phone's built-in memory. This specific view is located in the storage settings and is essential for targeting the exact folders that are filling up your phone. For step 5, you'll simply tap on the cleanup button to remove the selected unnecessary files and instantly free up space. This final action permanently deletes the cached data and junk, ensuring your internal storage is refreshed and your phone is optimized for better performance. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips.